Hi guys, Jeff from Discovery Floats, and today I'm going to take you through a 2-horse straight load Ultima. It's now 12'8" in length. As you can see, we've done this one in a dark grey metallic with a purple Discovery graphic that pops nicely off the paint colour. All done in the black checker, black windows. As you can see, we've got the tack box, full tack box across with 2 tack box doors. We've put a shelf in this one. Coming along, we've also added the checker plate trim around the tie-ups, recessed tie-ups. It's got the black alloy wheels. The package really comes together nicely. Around the back, the standard breech gates. Open right up, all fully padded. Nice big bays, as I've said previously, great for the big horses, Clyde crosses and so on. And this one's also been equipped with a drop-down bed. See, open these drop bolts, and this will come down. It's fully padded, and the legs will just come down like that. So, easy to utilise and pack up. Through here we've got obviously all the padded chest bars, rug rack, 2 pop-up vents, all standard. So yeah, really nice straight horse or straight load float. So yeah, speak soon. Thanks guys.